Creations Crafting on a Budget. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on for today? Today I am bringing to you a Dollar Tree DIY using these new wire tea holders that the Dollar Tree just recently started carrying. For this DIY, I decided to do retro because of the style of the tea lights, and I get asked a lot if I'll do more retro DIYs, so that's what I'm bringing to you today. So let's jump into it and let me show you what I'm gonna do with these wire tea holders that the Dollar Tree is now carrying.
For this DIY, I picked up 6 of these geometric wired tea light holders from the Dollar Tree, 3 packs of these LED tea lights, 2 packs of these pearls by Jot. I'll also be using this rose gold spray paint by Krylon and this metallic silver acrylic paint by Martha Stewart that I found at Joann's. For this project, I will be using this Quick Hold by E6000. This is a new adhesive that E6000 is now carrying, and so I am really excited to try it out to see how it works for this DIY. I'm going to start this DIY off by taking 3 of the geometric wired tea light holders. And using this quick dry E6000 adhesive, I'm going to place some of this adhesive over the top of these tea light candle holders. Then I'm going to take and stack one on top of the other. This first stack is going to be 3 high, and the next set will be stacked 2 high, giving us a set of 3 wired geometric tea light holders. And to color these tea light holders, I will be using Krylon's Color Master in the color of rose gold. So many of you have been requesting more retro rose gold DIYs, and so these geometric tea light holders give that perfect retro feel, especially when they're painted in rose gold. My tea light holders are painted, and I gotta tell you, this Quick Hold by E6000 works amazing. Not only is the hold great, but it dried so much quicker than regular E6000. Now, taking these pearls by Jot, I thought that it would add a really nice touch to these tea light holders by simply outlining the tea light holders with pearls. An alternative to the pearls would be the diamond wrap that the Dollar Tree carries if you'd like to glam this up a bit. I'm kind of going for that chic retro look, so I'm going to stick with the pearls. These pearls come in strips with adhesive already on the back of them, so it makes it really easy to outline these tea light holders. And it took a total of 2 packs of pearls to cover these tea light holders the way I covered them. And would you look at how stinking pretty these pearls look against that rose gold. I love how retro chic these candle holders are turning out. Now I'm going to take this metallic paint by Martha Stewart, and I'm going to paint these LED tea lights. There is something about the look of metallic silver and rose gold together that is just so chic and so classy, and I just really didn't like the white tea light once I put them in the tea light holders when they were white. And so I think that adding the silver metallic paint to these is going to be the perfect finishing touch. My tea lights are dry and painted metallic silver and looking amazing. I love the look of these. Let's go set these out and see how beautiful these look all lit up. And there you have it. Would you look at how retro chic these tea light holders came out? I love the geometric shape of them, and I love the pearls combined with the rose gold and the metallic silver of the tea lights. I think that it makes for a perfect combination, and I can only imagine how gorgeous these would look using the diamond wrap. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture, send it to me on either Facebook or Instagram because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video.
And there you have it. This is what I came up with for retro decor using the new wire tea light holders that the Dollar Tree is now carrying. These tea light holders definitely go along with the lines of the lamp that I made using very similar decor pieces that the Dollar Tree was carrying a few weeks ago. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget. And bye for now, everybody.